Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in and thank everyone who is subscribed to my channel 234 En La Casa. And if you love recipes and food and just all things home, continue to check me out over at 234 En La Casa. I feel so blessed to be able to bring you all content here. And for those of you all that really enjoy seeing reviews of products, and whether that's food related, household items that reviews and things like that, I've decided to start a new YouTube channel that's strictly review based. So that is titled 234 Reviews, and that's plural, and you can find me on YouTube and subscribe. Subscriptions are free. They do not cost anything. You just click the subscribe button. You can click on the notification bell to see content when it first gets uploaded, and you can also like the videos, and that way the videos will get spread around for other people to benefit from the information as well. Again, that new channel is 234 Reviews with an S at the end. And I'm also going to add that to TikTok as well. So there will be a YouTube channel with the product reviews on there and a TikTok. Okay, and I will link all that information in the description box below. And I want to just say again, thank you all so much for all of your support. I'm sending air kisses to you all and so much love. I really do appreciate it because, without you all, none of this would be possible. And I take it very, very seriously. And, I just appreciate the love, the support, the energetic love, and know that whatever content I put out, I stand behind 150%. I pour my heart, my soul into it. And so and I know you could be watching a whole lot of other people and you choose to watch or comment or like or share my content that's here on YouTube and TikTok and Facebook and things like that, and Instagram. So like I said, I really appreciate it so much. I'm so grateful. I have a lot of gratitude for it. I cannot even put into words how grateful I am. Okay, guys. And I send all of that support, loving support, all of the love, the likes, the comments, all that, I send that right back to you all to let you all know that, whatever you want to do, whatever you enjoy doing. I tell my children this all the time. When you wake up in the morning, think about what do you love to do? What would you love to do that you would do for free? Nobody would really even have to pay you to do it. You're naturally, you just love it. Then that's what you need to focus on. And you're never too old, whether you're a child or whether you're 80, to still, as long as you have breath in your body, you can still contribute here in this earth school that we're in. You have something left to give. And so don't ever try your best not to let people, tell you what you can and cannot do. That's a limitation of the mind. You can do anything that you put your mind to. If you can think it, if it comes into your ether and you can think it, you can achieve it. And sometimes things come into your ether, come into your mind that you see somebody else is talented at and good at, and you can share that information with them and say, hey, listen, I see you're really good at this. And I tell my people that I come across all the time, strangers, business people that I run into, about things that I feel and see, that I see that they're really, really good at, and encourage it. It doesn't take much. It's very free. You always want to leave people with the impression of increase and leave people with having been better for having encountered you. Okay. And I don't mean to wax on about all of that, but anyway, yeah, just join me over at 234 Reviews if you enjoy product reviews. I'd love to see you over there, and you have a blessed day. And like I said, sending love, abundance, magnificent, spectacular experiences to all of you all. I love you guys, and I'll see you over at 234 En La Casa, which is here, and over at 234 Reviews if you are so inclined to join me over there. Okay? All right. Sending love. See y'all later.